This is the sheet I gave you guys earlier today, and I want you guys to have it ready. So the first question says, the temperature in Buffalo was -7 degrees Fahrenheit on March 10 and 9 degrees on March 18. The number line plotted temperatures for each day. So I literally want you to go -7 for March 10, -5 is here, -7 will be here, and put a star, put something there, and label it, and this would be the temperature March 10. The other one was 9, which is right about here, and again I'll put a little star, and this is March 18. Okay, so label the points. That's it for that. And then B, how many degrees was it on March? This should have been 18, this should have been 10. How many degrees warmer was it on March 18 than on March 10? Well, count the distance between -7 and -9. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So on March 16, on March 18, it was 16 degrees warmer because I counted the distance between -7 and 0. The distance here is 7. Remember absolute value from last year, so the distance cannot be that negative. And from 0 to 9 is 9, so 7 plus 9 is 16. So on March 18, it was 16 degrees warmer. Okay, so that's pretty much, this question is pretty simple. Let's go to the next question. So this is a change of gasoline. So the price, there was a starting price. Okay, I don't know what it was, so this is starting price. Okay, and I don't know, but I know that from the starting price on week 1 it went up, then it went down, it went up again, it went down. So how much did the price go up and down? What was the change? So we're going to do this, 0.83, then it went down, then went up, and then it went down again. So you have to add and subtract these numbers to see what the actual change is after 4 weeks. So these two, 0.83 minus 0.445. You don't have to do keep the first one change and then change the second one because it's just a subtraction problem. Okay, so borrow 7, 13 minus 5 is 8, 7 minus 4 is 3, and you get 0.38. So this 2 is 0.38 plus 1.25, so you're going to add 1.25 to 0.38. Make sure you line up the decimals. 5 and 8 is 13, goes 1 is 6. So far the price of gas has gone up 1.63. And finally last week it went down minus 112. And then again you can just subtract. Uh-oh, my battery's dying. So, sorry, this one should be a little bit to the left. 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, and 0.51. So by the end of week 4, the price had changed 0.51 cents. Did the price increase or decrease? Obviously it increased because it's plus 51. And explain how you found your answer. You can write down all the stuff that you just did. And just give me a second to charge. And I think the last question was if. Alright, so the last question, I'll bring the screen down a little bit. Okay, so all that you have, 51 cents was the net change, I guess you can say it. So it changed 0.51, it increased. Explain how you found the answer. Tell me you combine all these numbers, right? You're adding and subtracting. And at the end of the week 4, the price per gallon was $3.45. So at the beginning we had a price that we didn't know, but I know that at the end it ended up being $3.45. So I know that from the beginning, from week 1 to week 4, there was an increase of 0.51, a total increase of 0.51. So what was the starting price? So what we can do is subtract 3.45 minus 0.51, And that should give us our starting price. 4, borrow, that becomes 14.9, and our starting price was 294. That makes sense, because if we started 294 and it changed 51 cents, it went up to 345. Okay, so at the beginning of week 1, the price of gas was 2.94. Okay, and that's it. It's a very short video, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so